Hey everybody, Dave Nikhil here from Teslas in Canada. You may have noticed in the last video there that I had a bit of an issue with my Tesla, and that would be with the suspension. And it creaking and squeaking, getting in and out of the car, turning the wheel. And yeah, only 12,000 kilometers on the car when it started to do that. And then, so yeah, I had to schedule it to go in for service, 13,000 kilometers. So the issue with it was the upper control arms. Apparently there was an issue with some of them when they built it, and it basically, the seals kind of let go and it dries it out in there, and then it starts squeaking and creaking, and it is kind of a common issue on some of the older Teslas. So I'm not too sure why mine, being a 2022 that I got on September 1st of 2022, has that issue. But regardless of that, so all I had to do was I had to go into my app and click request for service. So obviously this was my first time kind of going through that process. So I put request for service. I typed in what issues I had. I selected it through the menu. Actually said that there was a squeak in the front driver's side wheel when you were turning it, when you're stepping in and out of the car. And they sent me a repair estimate right away, like pretty much within 1 hour. And the repair estimate had the upper control arms written in there, that they would replace actually both on the left and the right hand side. I got that all scheduled in, and then I was wondering, how am I going to get back? Repair was going to be done about 30 minutes from my house, and I didn't want to have my wife drive all the way out there just to pick me up and drive me back. So they actually gave me $130 in Uber credits per day. So I dropped it off at 11:30 a.m. It was done around 4:30 p.m. that day, and then I took an Uber back after dropping it off. First I went to the mall, got some food, did some work at the mall there in the food court. Then I took an Uber back from there, back to my house to work here in my home office, which is where I am right now. Yeah, so that was a great experience. $130 a day for Uber, and that was more than enough. It was like $70 to go from Tesla to the mall, and then the mall back to my house. And then it was about $50 to go from my house back to Tesla this morning. Seamless experience. So basically replaced the upper control arms. They also did a glass repair because apparently my glass somewhere on the car was out of alignment. They moved it so that it was back where it should be. Yeah, they basically let me know the car was done. I Ubered there this morning to pick it up around 9 a.m. Got there this morning. I walked in and he said, "Oh, if you've paid, you're all good." And I said, "Well, it's covered under warranty, so it's paid, it's free." So he said, "Yeah, no problem. Just go on outside. Your car's out there with the key inside. Just go in with your Bluetooth, of course, and you're good to go." So all I had to do was basically walk over to my car, hop in, and drove it straight to a showing that I had to do. Yeah, here's the car at the buyer revisit that I did for a client. And yeah, no squeaking whatsoever. It's all good. Functions great. Steering is fine. And while I was in there, they also checked the tire tread, because I had a tire tread warning on there saying, I guess, that needed to replace my tires, but my tires are all fine. It was just a standard built-in warning. I guess they set it for 12,500 kilometers or whatever, just to have them checked or rotated just in case, to make sure that your tires are still in good condition. My tires are perfectly fine. So I got that checked as well. Yeah, overall, I want to say the Tesla service experience was super good, super great. Everyone was friendly at the service center. You actually don't really need to talk to too many people. So if you're an introvert, it's super easy. You just type it in on the app, do it all from the app, drop your car off, and just you hand them the key card, and then off you go. You get your Uber credits, order your Uber, and out of there you are. And then to go back, you just go back and just grab your car. So seamless experience. It was easy. And I'm just glad that Tesla has a warranty and that they are so accommodating and willing to do the repair that they know when there is an issue. So yeah, this experience has made me say I would like a second Tesla for my wife. So maybe Model Y coming to the channel sometime soon. So if you subscribe, you might see a Model Y review. And again, I wanted to remind you guys of our car show coming up. Oh, but first subscribe, hit the subscribe button for more content. Car show coming up April 22nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at 415 Guelph Street in Acton, Ontario. It's a free event. We're going to have tons of cars there. We may potentially even have Tesla out there offering test drives. We're still working on it. We will see how that goes. So yeah, that'll be awesome. Some of the subscribers here on the channel will be there with their vehicles. I'll be there. The event is put on by my real estate team that I'm on, the Your Green Homes real estate team, in collaboration with the town of Halton Hills. And it's going to have tons of electric cars, solar panel information, electric water skis, electric bikes, electric everything. So if you're into EVs, if you're interested in EVs, not just Teslas, if you like the Ford Mach-E, Ford Lightning, Porsche, anything like that, definitely make sure to come on out. And hopefully we can also get some BMWs, some Lucids, things like that, but we'll see. We're working on Rivian as well, so if anyone out there watching this video has any contacts, be sure to reach out. My email is down below, but as well for the car show related stuff, you can email me at david@yourgreenhomes.ca. So yeah, thanks for watching, and definitely encourage you guys, if you're considering Tesla, their service is second to none. I haven't experienced better service before or heard of better service before, so from a manufacturer. So definitely check them out. Have a blessed day. My name is David Aquila with Teslas in Canada. See you later.